One config line would have blocked the biggest NPM hack of 2025. September 8th, 2025. A phishing email took over the maintainer account behind Chalk, Debug, and ANSI styles. Around 18 packages, billions of weekly downloads, poisoned for a couple of hours. The payload swapped crypto wallet addresses in the browser. Here's the part nobody tells you. Almost every one of these attacks gets caught and unpublished within hours, so don't install anything published in the last few days. PNPM calls it minimum release age. NPM shipped the same setting. Renovate defaults to 3 days, set yours to 7. That single line would have neutralized the Chalk incident completely. In the complete module, why install runs arbitrary code as your user with your AWS keys loaded? Why deleting your lock file makes debugging worse? What a caret range actually costs you below version 1.0. How to read a 4,000-line lock diff in 30 seconds. The complete course is at shipreel.dev.